Ah, these boy birds never cease to amaze me. Yep, there they are in my shoe cubby. What are you guys doing? Huh? Why are you in the shoe cubby? And why are you chewing on my shoes? Are you going to get stuck there and not be able to get out? I can't even leave the room for a second before you guys are getting into trouble again. How are you going to get out, Oscar? You don't care, do you? You're just busy chewing on my shoes. I thought having birds would be easier than a puppy, but apparently I was wrong. This is funny. You gonna get out? No? Oh, what? Now you're mad? You guys get yourself in trouble and then you get mad when I want you to come out of the come out of there. You're so funny. I'm gonna have to keep the doors to the other rooms closed because I don't know what you're gonna get into next. I don't know if I'm gonna lose a bird. Yeah, talking to you, Oscar. Shoo. Watch this. No? That would scare him. No. Doesn't seem to bother him. Oh my goodness. Come on. Nope. Oh. What's that? What is that? Oh! Who's falling out of the shoebox? Who's falling out of the shoebox? Fine. Just stand there. I don't care. But don't chew up all the shoes, please. I can watch this. Oh, I can pull you out. Your plan has been spoiled. Now what are you going to do? Oh! You're so funny. Okay, I leave you now.